Good morning, good evening, or good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. My name is John, and I invest in consumer products, not stocks. I recently invested in this high-quality woodworking router that I bought at a garage sale for $10. And I have it listed on Craigslist for $150. So when it sells, that will be a 1,500% profit. That means that I'm reselling it for 15 times what I paid for it. I'm familiar with woodworking routers and I've used them in the past. Be sure to watch to the end of this video when I fire it up for you. So this is a Craftsman professional model. It's high quality and it's beautiful. It's a variable speed with 8,000 to 25,000 RPMs and it's 12 amps. Now, this is a short-term investment and it may take 6 months or more to resell it. Of course, I could sell it fast for a lower price, but that is not my goal. My goal is maximum profit to get the best price possible. When I first saw it, I immediately recognized it as a quality investment. I've invested in other routers, but this one really caught my eye. When I inspected it, it looked like it had only been used once or just briefly. I plugged it in and it sounded brand new and it runs smoothly like it should. And it has incredible torque, which is a sure sign of power. There were no real signs of use, no blemishes or signs of wear, just a couple ink spots that I easily rubbed off. I'm not new to routers. I've probably owned and sold 15 or 20, but I've never had one like this. My initial thought was, oh, I like this. I'm going to keep it. But I have no plans to use it. My plan is to resell it for maximum profit and reinvest in another high-profit consumer product. I'll be posting more videos showcasing consumer products that I use as short-term investments. So please like and subscribe and tell me what you think. You can check out my other small business videos at Honest John's at Free Small Business. Okay, get ready. I'm going to turn it on. First, I have to turn on the safety switch. You might want to plug your ears. Wow, that is really powerful. I'll see you next time.